Hi, this is Dr. Allen. Welcome to my channel. Today I want to talk to you about the importance of a handoff in a dental or medical practice. Let's look at the definition of a handoff. Well, my definition of handoff is any time we transfer the responsibility of a patient's care to another team member, that is considered a handoff. Now, there are many times in a typical practice that this handoff happens. Now, there are multiple benefits of having a handoff. Number one, it increases the patient safety because of the fact that we are communicating with the next team member is exactly what needs to happen for the patient. Okay, then the patient's safety increases. That's the most important thing. Number two is the fact that if it's used properly with correct, professionally done scripts, you can promote your staff member, your office, or your doctor within a handoff. So that is why it is so important that when a receptionist introduces a patient to a doctor, what is said, rather than just handing them the file and say, hey, this is Ms. Smith, how to introduce the patient, how to wrap up the summary of the information from the patient to the doctor, and how to promote the doctor in front of a patient, because obviously the doctor, the team member, they're not able to promote themselves. So somebody else in the office needs to do that. And finally, a handoff is important because it creates value and builds trust with our patients. And when a patient hears us that we are summarizing what has happened and giving specific instruction to the next person of what needs to happen, that basically creates more value and trust and confidence in our practice. And guess what? It sets you apart from other practices. Now, if you find some of this information of a value, you might want to consider checking out my website, www.dralennazeri.com. Send me a message. I do coaching programs for dental offices across the globe. I have clients in Switzerland, in Germany, in US, in Southeast Asia, in Singapore, Thailand, India, and some countries such as like Georgia, Albania, and so forth. So because of the new technology that we have, we can do all of these video conferencings. I can do training and coaching of your team all the way across, no matter where you are. And I will guarantee you, it will help you get your practice to the next level. I look forward to seeing you in the other episodes. Thank you again. This is Dr. Allen Nazeri.